Guys, let's make this yummy coconut spaghetti. So on my pan, I'm adding some cooking oil. I'll be adding some onions as well. I'll be stir frying this for about 2 minutes until it becomes light and fragrant. I'll be adding some garlic ginger paste and I'll be mixing that into my onions. I have my pepper mix here and I'm going to be saturating it into my onions as well. It's a little bit frozen. That's why I'm trying to just press it into the onions. So after it is melted and it has cooked for a bit, I'll be adding some carrots that I cut this way. I purposely cut it this way because of the pasta style we are making. Feel free to cut your carrot in any style you want. So on another pot, I have my pasta and I'm adding some coconut milk. I'll be cooking this pasta, my spaghetti, in some coconut milk. I had cooked the pasta halfway already. I drained the water and then I'm now cooking it in the coconut milk so that I have that rich coconut taste. So back to our sauce, I'm adding some green pepper or capsicum and I'm going to be stir frying this into my mix. I have my seasoning, my salt, my bouillon cubes, my thyme, any other thing that I so desire will be added into it. Anything I feel will make it tasty and nice, I'm going to be adding it. So I'm just going to mix all this together. I'm adding some tuna as well and some chicken bites. I'm going to be stir frying that as well into my sauce. I'll make sure that everything is well cooked and everything has the same taste. I have added my seasoning already, so I'm just going to mix it well to make sure that everything is well fused. And so my spaghetti too has cooked and it's now time for me to transfer it into my sauce, and everything is cooked at this point. I'm just going to toss it gently so that everything is well mixed together, the sauce as well with the coconut spaghetti. And guys, I wish you could taste this. This is a different thing from the normal. If you cook your pasta in milk, in coconut milk, it will have that distinct unique taste. So I'm just adding some spring onions for extra flavoring and extra garnishing at the end. But guys, like I was saying earlier on, this taste was divine. I love the absolute taste of coconut in my pasta, in my spaghetti, even in my rice. It's a sure game changer. So please try it next time. Even in jollof rice, it tastes so different and so lovely. Guys, that's our recipe for today. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye.